Before diving into Carepatron, there are 7 essential things you need to know if you're considering using this platform. Whether you're switching from another practice management tool or starting fresh, you'll want to stick around to the end for all the details, especially since we'll also compare it with some competitors to give you a clearer idea. First off, Carepatron offers an intuitive interface that's designed with simplicity in mind. But don't be fooled by the sleek design. It's packed with powerful features. If you've used tools like Clinico or Therapy Notes, you might expect the usual scheduling, invoicing, and charting features. But Carepatron goes a step further with integrated telehealth capabilities, making it a strong contender for practices that want to offer remote sessions as well as in-person care. Unlike some competitors that charge extra for telehealth features, Carepatron includes this in its plan, which can save you quite a bit over time. Next thing, let's talk about the ease of use. Carepatron doesn't require hours of training to get up and running, which is a big plus compared to other tools that have steep learning curves. You can get started with the basics almost immediately. For practices that don't want to waste time learning a new system, this can be a game changer. However, some might find that while it's simple, it lacks the depth that more complex systems offer. But if you want a balance of simplicity and effectiveness, Carepatron shines. The third thing is its pricing model. Carepatron offers a free plan, which is perfect for solo practitioners or small teams that are just getting started. However, as your practice grows, you'll likely need to upgrade to one of the paid plans for added features. But when compared to competitors like Simple Practice, Carepatron's pricing is very competitive, particularly for those who don't need every bells and whistle. The ability to test out the free plan without entering payment details is another bonus that you won't always find with other software. Now, let's talk about client management. One feature that Carepatron does well is how it handles client records and notes. You can store detailed notes, integrate documents, and track progress over time. But if you're coming from systems like Practice Better, you might miss the deeper customization that allows for creating more complex client workflows. However, Carepatron's streamlined approach can be an advantage for practitioners who prefer simplicity over customization. Next, one thing that sets Carepatron apart from competitors is its focus on team collaboration. If you're working with a group of practitioners, Carepatron's tools for team communication and task management can be a lifesaver. You can assign tasks, track progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. This makes it especially helpful for practices that want a more unified approach. If you've used tools like Theranos, you might be used to some of these features, but Carepatron does it with an easy-to-understand interface. The sixth thing you need to know is about integrations. Carepatron offers integrations with a number of third-party tools, like Stripe for payments, QuickBooks for accounting, and various calendar applications. While it covers the basics, it might fall short if you rely heavily on certain integrations that are available with competitors like Clinico. So, if you already use specific software for client communication or marketing, check that Carepatron supports your tools before making the switch. Finally, the customer support. Carepatron is known for responsive support, with both email and live chat available during business hours. This is a step up from some competitors, where getting a timely response can be hit or miss. Whether you need help navigating a feature or troubleshooting an issue, the support team is generally quick to assist. However, Carepatron lacks a robust help center or community forums compared to some larger competitors, which could be a downside if you prefer finding solutions on your own. If you're intrigued by what Carepatron can do, here's the best part. Click the first link in the description to try out Carepatron for free and get access to an exclusive trial. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch from another system, Carepatron offers an intuitive, budget-friendly solution for practice management.